I'm Delphine Ang, a facilitator and an accredited coach with Tirian. I'm super excited to be part of Tirian, in which each and every training program is uniquely designed and gamified to optimize your learning experience. As a facilitator and coach, I help my clients and participants to catch their training. I connect with people with strategic as my top gallant strength. I listen attentively and actively to what's said and what's unsaid. I help transform something good into something superb by focusing on my clients' strengths as a way to stimulate their personal and group excellence. I challenge my clients to step out of their comfort zone and their same old way of thinking. I help my clients to harness the accumulative wealth of their strengths, expertise, and experience. I'm Delphine Ang. I look forward to working with you and help you catch your training.